How to see recently watched videos on YouTube on laptop. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and in the menu that appears, tap on the Your Data and YouTube option. Now, scroll down and you will see the YouTube Watch History tab. Scroll down and tap on the Manage Your YouTube Watch History option you see there and now. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all your recently watched videos on your laptop. So, this is how you can see recently watched videos on YouTube on laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.